I think this is gonna work. Honestly, I'm really not too sure still. So I was at a cooking class in Charleston, South Carolina a few years ago, and the chef who was leading the cooking class of Undiscovered Charleston, I think that was the name of his cooking class, he made Panna Cotta for all of us, and he made it in muffin tins like this. And he took it out of the fridge, and to unmold it, because there was like 12 of us, in the class, and we're gonna pour a little hot, this is steaming hot, boiling water, and we're gonna set this, right on top, and just gonna give it a little love. And you don't wanna do this too long, or else all your panna cotta will
melt.
Yeah, and then, which is what happened to us. And then just stick it back in the fridge if that happens.
Take two.
Take two, and wait for it to come back to firm up again, and then we'll see what happens. All right, so if you could hand me that one, I'll trade you.
Yeah.
This is the moment of truth. You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, it sounded good.
It did. Okay, you can give me a plate. And then let's just hit this for good measure with a little heat. I don't know if that did anything or not. We're gonna find out. Oh!
I mean,
they all came out for one, right? And then, woo! I kind of went crazy. And let's kind of make this guy prettier. There we go. And then, go ahead and get that guy and plate it right up. There you go. Here you go. Oh. You got it. You got it. Work it, girl. Work it.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, how nice.
Oh, it's not liking me.
No, that's all right. That's all right.
It's
there
okay.
we go.
That's
all right. Probably needed just a little bit more time in the fridge.
Well, and this might have had been to scrape something off. So let's try that.
Let's try this guy. All right. So these, no, they needed a little, but you get the idea. Sometimes it's okay to have an epic fail in the kitchen. Oh,
that one turned out.
That's not bad.
Much better.
There we go. Okay.
Little chocolate on top.
Little chocolate, little extra foam.
So you kind of just cover up your mistakes with cream.
Absolutely.
Camouflage.
Or cover it up with a lot of chocolate.
And then you just have more wine.
You know what? I think we should probably try this. We should just try it. This reminds me of your peanut butter's in my chocolate.
Oh, your chocolate's in my peanut butter.
Oh my God. Yes. Well, either way. It tastes amazing.
See, there's just enough coffee.
Yeah.
And it's like...
And a little bit of the salt. It just makes all the flavors come out.
It's lovely.
Oh
I mean, regardless of how this looks, it still tastes fantastic.
It is amazing. So I hope you guys have fun in your kitchen. Make this. Let us know if yours turns out better than ours. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Awesome.
It's really good though.